Let's play with Barbie.
Hello everybody, I'm so happy to see you today. Are you ready to play? So I am. And you know what? I love ponies so much, do you? So maybe today we're gonna have so much fun with... Wow! Barbie! Yes, you could read my mind. This is amazing. Let's play. Wow, Barbie, this is amazing. Let's have a look at what we have here. So, we've got a beautiful horse and pony, and we've got some apples and carrots as well. I can see everything, the barn, and we're in a lovely ranch. I'm so ready for this. Are you? Let's do this. Actually, this is so nice. Oh my God, what are we gonna do today? Well, so this is my little sister, Ashley, and today we're gonna learn how to ride a horse. Are you guys ready? Yes, let's do this. So Ashley, first things first, you're wearing your helmet, yes, so you're ready. And now look at me. First I'm gonna show you how to hop with your horse. Are you ready? Let's do this. First of all, you ride your horse. And remember, your horse is your friend. You have to treat him like a real friend. Pet him. You're together on this. And now, first you go. 1, 2, 3, we're gonna go. Galloping, galloping, galloping together. And then you say hop and you go hop. Wow! And it's as easy as it looks. Are you ready, Ashley? Let's do this. Okay. I don't know. I'm not sure if I can do this. I'm afraid. Kelly, how can I do this? Don't be afraid. Just talk with your pony. Say that everything is gonna be all right. And as a nice friend, he's gonna help you. Let's do this. Okay. Well, let's do this. Let's go. Well, you can do this, Ashley. I know. Okay, let's go galloping together. Galloping, galloping. I don't think I can do this. Try one more time. I believe in you. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, and say hop, 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 hop. Wow, I can't believe it. I was able to do it. Yay. Wow, Ashley, it's been so much fun. You see, there was nothing to be afraid of. Do you like horse riding? Oh my God, yes, I love it. I'm so happy. Did you see me? I was able to hop, hop, and gallop. I love this. And me too. But you know, I've got a surprise for you. Let's go. It's time for some rest. Wow, what is this? Wow, Kelly, what do we have here? Sit down. Now it's time to rest. I've got a surprise for you. Wow, this is for us? What about the horses? Of course. Remember that they are our friends. I've got a picnic prepared for us. We've got carrots and we've got apples to share. Wow, I think my pony is quite tired. Yes, you can feel. Give them some carrots like this. Here you go. I bet you are so tired. Thank you for today. And you too. Here you have some. Oh, he loves it. I'm so happy. What about the apples? Some apples too? Would you like some? Yes, please. There you go. Would you like some too? Yes, please. Oh, they love it. Remember, you always have to look after your friends. And then, let me show you something. Look what we've got here. Where are we, Kelly? Well, now it's time to look after our friends. They have been riding all day. They must be tired. So, I will teach you how. Wow, what is this? First, we have to give them water. It's very important after such a long day. Okay, your pony goes first. Come here, my friend. You need to drink some water. I bet you are tired. Look, Kelly, yes! She was so thirsty. Of course. And now my horse will go as well. Let's go together. Come on, my friend. You need some water too. There you go. How nice. I bet you were so thirsty. And after that, it's so important that they also eat something. Wow! Is this some hay? Yes, this is hay. And the horses love hay. They can eat some. Okay. They love the nice flavor of the hay. Thank you. What about your pony? Let's go. Oh, they love the hay so much. This is so nice. And now, it's time for something important. What is it, Kelly? Well, the same as for us, it's very important to brush the hair of our horses so they can be nice and beautiful. I'll show you, like this. Brushing, brushing. Can you do it, Ashley? Yes, of course. Try it. Let me try. I can do this too. Brushing the hair, nice and gently. They love it. Of course they do. I love this. Thank you, my friend. Thank you for today. Wow, this has been so much fun. I loved it. Thank you for being with us. Today we'll learn how to ride horses. We'll learn also how to look after our friends. It was so much fun. See you next time. Bye.